Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Google Calendar, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Google Calendar app on your device. Check that you are signed in with the correct Google account. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the settings option. Choose the calendar you want to sync from the list. Ensure that the sync option is enabled. If it's already enabled, toggle it off and then back on again to refresh the sync. Next, go back to the main calendar view. Pull down the screen to refresh your calendar. Wait a moment for your events to sync. If your calendar is still not syncing, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If issues persist, go to your device's settings. Find and select apps or applications. Locate and tap on Google Calendar. Select Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. Return to the Google Calendar app and check if the sync is working. If it still doesn't sync, consider removing the account and then adding it back. Go back to Settings and select Accounts. Find your Google account and select it. Tap on Remove Account. After removing it, restart your device. Then, go back to Settings and select Add Account. Choose Google and follow the prompts to log in again. Once logged in, open Google Calendar once more. Check if your events have synced properly. If everything is working, your Google Calendar is now successfully synced. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.